Tubeloom. Tubeloom is the only income-generating blueprint anywhere that reveals how to make a full or part-time income using quick, simple, easy-to-make videos. It reveals a little-known world of extra income for fun, enjoyable work. With my Tubeloom guide by your side, you'll see results even if the thought of creating videos scares you to death. It's point-and-click simple, and you never have to be on camera. You have no contacts, confidence, or clue how to get started. Everything you've tried up until now to make money using the internet has failed you. Tubeloom is a godsend if you've already tried writing surveys, blogging, affiliate marketing, or any other so-called easy money schemes out there, and you always come up short. Finally, you've stumbled on a legitimate way to bring in extra cash each month. After all, I'm living proof. Inside Tubeloom, you'll discover the wide-open opportunity for YouTubers, even if you have no training, technical skills, no connections, and little confidence in yourself. Why learning the Tubeloom system for video dollars may be the most straightforward way to build a job-replacing income. Why your voice is far less important than sounding sincere and believable. Don't worry, I'll show you how to master your delivery. How and why you never need to show yourself on camera. The top websites to find the best paying items to share, plus where to go to find hordes of other things to promote. Why selling actually works against you. And so much more. Starting right now, you too could look forward to a side income that lands in your bank account like clockwork. I'm talking about my own results like $300 for 15 minutes of video recording, $750 for 60 minutes of speaking, $1,500 for 2 hours of chatting about products I love. These are all commissions and fees I've collected over the last few months. In fact, I can pick and choose anything I want to share with people. In this program, you'll discover how to make these Tubeloom demos quickly and easily. I'm here for you. Now you can see exactly what to do step by step, click by click. Look, if you've ever dreamed about being able to earn money from home without having to work your butt off or grind out your day, you need to enroll in the Tubeloom program. And again, I can't emphasize this enough. This is not a pie-in-the-sky opportunity. This is not a scheme or networking marketing scam. You're likely as sick to death of that stuff as I am. This is a genuine income-generating opportunity. While anyone can do it, it's definitely not for everyone. If you're looking for a make thousands of dollars while you sleep type offer, please leave this page right now. Candidly, you may not be ready for a legitimate source of income like this one. You see, I want to help as many people as I can all over the world earn the income of their dreams without all the stress of running a business, without sweating at your job in the hopes of getting a promotion. I want to give people not just the hope, but the ability to do this. And I believe Tubeloom will be the breakthrough for people like you. People who want extra cash for doing something they enjoy. That's why I've put together a way you can try out the entire program for free. Before we get to that, listen to some folks who already went through the Tubeloom program and are right now enjoying the extra cash and freedom that comes with it. There's Denise from Austin. I never knew it would be this easy. I was both excited and a little apprehension about Tubeloom at the start. I mean, it sounded too good to be true, but I'm glad I tried it out in the end. I do this only part-time and make an extra $600 to $800 a week. That's a ton of extra money a month. Thank you so much, Charlie. Denise Peters. And also, Frank from Michigan. I believe in commitment and following through, and that's how I managed to be successful with Tubeloom. I followed the steps taught inside the program and spend an hour every evening after work doing it. And I'm glad to show you a screenshot of what I've achieved. Here it is. I'm very proud of my results, as I make about $100 to $400 every single day now, and it's replacing my job income as a teacher. If you want to earn extra income on the side, if you want to replace your job with something that takes very little time but pays well, then Tubeloom is your answer. It changed my life, and I cannot be any more happier. And here's the best part. There's absolutely no risk to you. You have a full 60 days to go through the Tubeloom program risk-free and then decide if it's right for you. If for any reason you think YouTubing to get paid is not for you, it's not a problem. Just drop me a line to get every penny of your money back. That's why I teamed up with the internet's most trusted retailer of digital products and programs, ClickBank. They will automatically give you your investment back on your say-so, no questions asked. So if you don't think getting paid with YouTube is for you after all, if you don't want to earn the kind of money you dream about, taste the freedom you deserve, and live life on your own terms, and even if you just think the dudes in these videos are kind of annoying, it doesn't matter. Whatever the reason, you have 60 days to check out the Tubeloom program risk-free. You don't need to take my word on this. Click the big button below this video. See everything for yourself for 60 days risk-free, and then decide.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.